we are kwasiampenyi pa. I was a kunjanu kutuchene. Unim nyansa. What do Jimmy to when no can so pro kwasia?
Wakasan some way na. Nanso, when namha, I will be answer one way. Are we in a democratic dispensation? Anna, what's it saying? Hey, oh my gaga who gaga the omumpe and one of me abusia ma steam on encho ya. But what you saw be like us our video with now fe wash make sure so be comment under this video. For some plus button so now follow me for trending issues and news update right here. High in the terms intellectual analysis, backward science and data, of course, we criticize it, but very constructively, not destructively. Ghanaian by birth, Ar3stin by grace. Abusia, yes, shall see.
3, 2, 1.
Now, Abusia, with him, I do not subscribe. In fact, I do not subscribe to politics of insult, especially omo kasaka krebia, omo baby omo no mo dim penifuate. But the question some of us are asking is, Adiana SCN ne yade ya chiche ma blonye edino ato Black Maria mu as if said wakwa stage coup and now be at salve pato. Is it the first time that is happening here in Ghana? Anna. Now the question I also want to ask, are we in a democratic dispensation? Anna. Medical culture. So I do not subscribe to the politics of insult. But yet you are my way more home. And nipa bia can send be brea from Pennyfonia kukudan. Be wa my way muhanwa. Yenya penibia manan kasa. Yenya penibia manan kanchens and nipa smeti ya kasa ya okay. Enye ni enye nisa. Is it because na a favor be muana? Is it because na e bi mo age na so na boy bi mo ema bi mo timi nya de omo pe ana. Enti ne yenya penibia kasa na. E peni ka sembi. Se peni tena fie ema mofrawe nanka. Ye ka nankanwefo a. Aya ne ye ka sa peni no e di ka ho. Me pese me kire nkrofo bi nsam a omo kan Ghana ha. A ye nya then opposition leader Obompani Mahama John amana utter a word. Ye nya no amana utter a word. Take and watch.
Yo hene kwasia. We are kwasiampenyi pa. I was a kunjanu kutuchene. Unim nyansa. What do Jimmy to when no can so pro kwasia Jimmy one and an go to be a good no can to one no kekao a boa why we no basan and kwasia keka Jimmy for being almost so
rather boy na sa play with to a mofom rather crash it sa ni palo besa crash sa play with crash it or kohaya crash sa play with Ghana will lose nothing.
Nana Jai Jimmy. Nana Jai Jimmy no.
Addo, we need your head for money, Rachel. You help your
Kufado is the most wicked man I mean who be that. Holy Ghost fire Nyankopon the best chepa. Me say that papa ne be wu. Me say heaven gate on dru.
Siafo abofunu kwasiafo munye sika o pizza tara na koto red. Maya mo dross mu kan mun ko school. De muni man say ye de ya ton chains akoto red anom. Kwasia onye se Ghana nyina ni Kumasi pizza. Oti Elmina, oti Cape Coast, oti Commander, oti Mankesim, oti Southbourne, oti eye Winneba, oti eye all the way to Ar3stin Ppl. Eye Fosu Central, ututia NDC we aboa.
Thank you so much. So you see, Sankrofo we na can some editor for a certain president, kings, chiefs, and what have you. Senenya enra ampa enenso enye. But it's enra no se wentimi anka ho asem. Edia you know, quite said Nezo can was a more. And then running the ne favor it was okay. This is a clear definition of a triangle with you. And Rano, woman can answer when you know because the comma will be and that comma only now see ye. And then also a 10 against you who feel the heat. You see, you're the way Ebu or my Emania Yana. When it's not good, let your voice be heard. So that when someone repeats it, you can have the guts and the impudence to criticize it. And run and they young glorify no. But then run no say yentimi anhwe and candia and then can no quite say mu glorify. This is Ghana must know.
Nana Ghana for you. Nana Ghana for you. Nana Ghana for you.
Now one name Ghana hanum the NDC for binum kakai. Efa na Addo, the person. Any atitude MP one any. Worse things than what is happening even now. Worse.
Siaban ehweye masansem nyina akoso ebusuya ma okaba fa braga na MSM TV eso edin am jeso no any promise the blogger ebusuya video am ni ko hweye tells you a lot of things. It tells you what the NDC government during opposition time omunko for the year na do dan kwaku ado Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia osagefo amoti afo epanyini ochehene otumfo osedutu asantehene any the national chief imam in somewhat Kevin Taylor any other people muntie 3-4 Captain Smart ayi buama a was TVXYZ radio good one. These people said a lot of things, insulted chiefs, presidents, dignitaries in this country, but Uncle Babia. No one did anything to them. I remember when Captain Smart were on live TV and they are poisoning no, and I'm poisoning no, and John Kuma wo no who you know, you're poisoning no. No one called him to come and prove. What did I say? Because we believe in democracy. It is not autocracy. It is democracy. So Yeshua will say, you guys just do whatever you want to do. But today, under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, you're mistaken. And you see, it is very sad. It is very, very sad. But we all live to see. Because the future is pregnant. The future is pregnant. Ebusuya, IGP, yesi inimguasiye akwaba. Ebusuya, haya Ghana MSM TV. Edi am just to promise the blogger. Na yenuya bema chiteso no de nyansa de ohwegu ono mo a emu odruyi. Wasesa bi amani bi yakoma Ghana mpanyifo se obaye na wanka obi baye a ntimi nka eno ntini se obaye a ye ne yie ne hu se wo ye ne yie yenye se wo ye tie obi e du obi so de a na ono de amana work free. You know, this guy is very intelligent, and I've been telling you guys that this guy is very intelligent. Obi ango follow no TikTok. He's a very intelligent guy. Whatever he says, you see that there is sense in it. And I like the way he presents his staff's stories. So we should follow that guy now. Ko TikTok now go follow no. I think that they need something refi. But I'll try and find it and give it to you guys. I'll find it and give to you guys. He's very, very intelligent, and he says stuff that makes you feel like, yeah, this guy is very sensible. Now, we live in this country our own. Yanshwe bedu baby no. Like oman mu wase tran be yedin. Head ama obibia. I'm telling you. Now say yeshwe ni ye. Haya Ghana MSM TV.